can you brief me a little about IIP practice courses offered at Vijaybhoomi University?
So this industry internship program, it's all about putting all the skills they have learned here during their course of study into test. So Vijaybhoomi promises that it bridges the gap between the conventional education system and the industry ready skills which the industry directly requires.
So what they're going to do is they are going to work with the industry professionals, and maybe in the for the short industry internship program it is going to be in hybrid mode, or we are allowing somewhat online mode as well. But when it comes to long industry internship program, they have to go to visit the industry and work on the hands-on projects and work with the industry professional and get the mentorship and guidance in the first hand itself. So once the student is getting admission into Vijaybhoomi University and opting for any practice courses, they can end up getting any of the placement opportunity beforehand.